Everyone wants the same answer. How long does probate really take in California? Some think 7 to 12 months. Others brace for years. But the truth is in between. And it comes down to just two levers: when the court issues your letters and how you handle the property sale. I'll walk you through the full probate timeline step by step, and later I'll share the one stage that almost always steals extra months if you don't see it coming. Probate feels heavier than other real estate sales because it's not just paperwork, it's people, memories, money, and multiple heirs are all on the clock together. That's why laying out the actual timeline matters. It replaces anxiety with a roadmap. Probate begins when your attorney files the petition. From filing to your first hearing is usually 30 to 45 days, depending on the county. At that hearing, the judge signs the order and issues letters of administration or letters of testamentary. Until you have those letters, you cannot officially act. This first month is a waiting game, but it sets the tone. Once letters are issued, creditors and heirs are formally noticed. The probate referee begins the inventory and appraisal. Creditors have up to 4 months to file claims. That's one of the biggest baked-in delays. Even if you're ready to move fast, the law holds space for those claims. But what's the stage that secretly costs executors and administrators the most time? I'll explain that in just a minute. With full authority, the home sale feels like a standard transaction. We list the home, we put it on the market for sale, negotiate, and accept an offer. Then the notice of proposed action goes out, starting that 15-day clock. The key is to keep the escrow moving during those 2 weeks. Inspections, title, loan docs. So after your 15 days, if there's no objections, we can close without any dead air. With limited authority, instead of a NOPA period, you're on the court's calendar. That means waiting weeks for confirmation hearing and preparing your buyer for possible overbids in court. Average sales timeline, 60 to 120 days, depending on financing and court scheduling, of course. After the sale, the executor or administrator files a final accounting and petition for distribution. The court reviews, sets another hearing, and if everything balances, the court issues the final order. That step alone can add 2 to 4 months if the paperwork isn't ready. So, what's a realistic time frame? Best case scenario, 6 to 9 months. Typical California case, 9 to 12 months. A complicated case, 12 to 18 months or even more. Here's that hidden time thief I mentioned earlier. Creditor claims and title surprises. A stray lien or HOA balance can quietly stall everything if you discover it late. That's why opening title early, even before you list, often saves months. When you see the probate timeline laid out like this, it stops feeling like molasses. And if you'd like my one-page PDF version of the timeline to keep for yourself and share with your family, download it using the link below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel for more probate real estate related info, and share this channel with any family involved in the probate. Keeping everybody on the same page will only help keep things moving smoothly. In my next video, I'll tackle another big question. The short answer can save you money. The long answer can save you peace of mind.